How to make money in real estate. Hey everybody, this is Sid Hameed with Brickfront Properties and Construction. I hope you guys are doing well. And listen, I'm making a quick video to explain why you guys should be paying attention to the content and to our video channel that we're providing. We're providing this information because of our knowledge and because of the actual life experiences, and then also just the law of attraction, manifesting the right things with the right people in the right environment, and then taking action, right? So I learned by doing, and I learned by actually being out there and jumping in. So, you know, if you guys are serious about being an entrepreneur, business owner, you know, you need to be able to take action. So it's one thing to read and to learn and to take a bunch of notes on webinars and seminars, but it's another thing to actually do the work and to take the action and to get things done. Because the only way you'll actually receive this is by doing the work. You got to be able to implement what you learn, and you got to be able to do the work. So remove the fear out of your life and just do it. And the only way you learn is through failure. So failure will help you grow. Failure will help you succeed. Okay? You have to fail in order for you to succeed.